Our next topic is multiplication base 5 system. We are taking a question from page number 9, exercise 1.4. Solve the following, then convert into decimal system, multiply, and thus check your answer. The question is 443 multiplied by 241 base 5. We have to multiply these two numbers in base 5. First, write 443 and then write 241. We have to multiply these two numbers. 1 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3, 1 multiplied by 4, 4, 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4. On next line, after first digits, we have to multiply 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 means 22. 2 in unit place and 2 we carry 2 here. 4 4 are 16, 17, 18. 18 in base 5 means 30, 33. We write here 3 and 3 carry 3. 4 4 are 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 means 34, 4 and then 3. On next line, we have to multiply by 2. 2 3 are 6. 6 means 11, 11 1 and carry 1. 2 4s are 8, 9. 9 mean 14, 4 carry 1. 2 4s are 8, 9. 9 mean 14. Now in last we have to add these numbers. 3, 4 plus 2, 6. 6 mean 11. 1 carry. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 means 14. 4, 1 carry. 4, 4 are 8, 9. 9 means 14. 4, 1 carry. 4, 3, 7 or 8. 8 means 13. Carry 1, 1 or 1, 2. The result is 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 3. Now we have to check. We have to verify the answer. Verification. First we convert the numbers in base 5 into decimal. First number is 443. We convert it into base 5 by expanded form. 4 multiplied by 5 power 2 plus 4 multiplied by 5 power 1 plus 3 multiplied by 5 power 0. Now by simplify these brackets, that is equal to 100 plus 20 plus 3. By adding these numbers, the answer is 123. The number in base 5, 443 is equal to 123 in decimal number. So now we take next number 241. 241 in base 5, that is equal to 2 multiplied by 5 power 2 plus 4 multiplied by 5 raised to power 1 plus 1 multiplied by 5 raised to power 0. That is equal to 50 plus 20 plus 3 plus 1. That is equal to 71. The number 241 in base 5 equal to 71 in decimal. Now we have to multiply these two numbers as given in the question. 443 in base 5 multiplied by 241 in base 5 is equal to, the number 443 in decimal is equal to 123. The number 241 in decimal is equal to 71. That is equal to, by multiply these two numbers, 8733. So the multiplication decimal is equal to 8733. Now we have to convert 8733 again into base 5. So we can, by taking LCM of 8733 by 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35, 1 7 4 6, remainder is 3, again divide by 5, 3 4 9, remainder is 1, but again by taking LCM by 5, that is equal to 69, remainder is 4, 5 ones are 5, 3, remainder is 4, again 5, 5 to the 10, 3, 0, 2. The number 8733 is equal to, in base 5, bottom to top, that is equal to 2 3 4 4 1 3. By comparing these two numbers, 2 3 4 4 1 3 in base 5, that is equal to, by multiply these two numbers, 2 3 4 4 1 3, so these two numbers are equal, then it verified. Now we are taking a question from book. Question number 6, exercise 1.5, page number 12. The question is 1101 in base 2 plus 10 base 2 minus 111 base 2. Now we are solving this question. If there is more than one operations involved in a question, then we use Dimash rule. First we add these two parts or these two digits, 1 1 0 1 and 1 0 in base 2. First we add these two numbers. The answer is 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 1 1. The answer is 1 1 1 1. Now we have to subtract the number 1 1 1 from the given answer. 1 1 1. We have to subtract it. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, 1. So this is the answer of the question. Now we have to verify the answer. Verification. First we convert these numbers in decimal. One 0 1 2 is equal to, count the digits from the extreme right hand side, 0 1 2 3. 1 multiplied by 2 power 3 plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2 plus 0 multiplied by 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 0. Now 1 multiplied by 8 plus multiplied by 4 plus 0 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 1 equal to 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1. The answer is 13. Now we convert the second number into decimal number, 102. And we know that 10 is equal to 2. Now the third number is 111. Again, count the digits from the extreme right hand side, 0 1 2. 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 0. 1 multiplied by 4 plus 1 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 1. That is equal to 4 plus 2 plus 1. That is equal to 7. So now first we add these two numbers. We can write the given question as 1 1 0 1 2 plus 1 0 to base 2 minus 1 1 1 base 2 is equal to 1 1 0 1 in decimal is equal to 13. 13 plus 2 minus 7, that is equal to 15 minus 7, that is equal to 8. Now we change the answer of our question in decimal form. The given answer is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0. This one is equal to, now we have to convert in 0 1 2 0 1 0 1 2 3. 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 3 plus 1 0 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 2 plus 0 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 1 plus 0 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 0 is equal to 1 multiplied by 8 plus 0 multiplied by 4 plus 0 multiplied by 2 plus 0 multiplied by 1, that is equal to 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is equal to 8. Now we compare these two answers. First answer is 8 and the second one is also 8. It is verified the required question. Now we are taking question number 12 from book. Simplify 1110 in base 2 multiplied by 101 base 2 plus 101 in base 2 multiplied by 10 in base 2 minus 110 multiplied by 1010. According to Dirac rule, we have to multiply the numbers which are multiplying each other. Now, first numbers are 1 1 1 0 in base 2 multiplied by 101 in base 2. 0 1 is 0, 1 1 1 spacing 1 0 0 0 0. After 2 space, 1 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0, 1 1 1. In last we add these numbers 0 1 1 1 plus 1 2 and 2 means 10, 0 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2, 2 means 10, 1 carry and 10. Now we multiply the second numbers 1 0 1 multiplied by 10 in base 2, 0 0 0 1 1 the 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Now we have to multiply these two numbers. 1 0 1 0 in base 2 multiply by 1 1 0 in base 2, 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, that is equal to 0 0 1 1 1 1. Now in next step we have to add and subtract. According to question, we have to add the result of these four numbers. Now, 1 0 0 0 1 1 0. We have to add in 1 0 1 0 1. 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 2, 2 means 10, 0 1 carry. 10 10 1 carry, 1 0 1. Now we have to subtract this number. 0 0 1 1 1 1. 0 0 we have to carry 1 from here. It goes to this side, become 2. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Again, we carry 1 from here. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, and the other becomes 0. This is the answer of the question. In the last of the chapter, we are revise the short methods of conversion. First short method of decimal to binary. First, we have to remember in a binary number, the bits that is used from right hand side to left hand side. That's our 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and so on. 1 means 2 power 0, 2 means 2 power 1, 4 means 2 raised to the power 2, 8 means 2 raised to the power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, and so on. Now, we have to convert a decimal number to binary. For example, we want to convert a decimal number 3 into binary. We use these numbers. The given number in decimal is 3. We have to consider these numbers that is equal to or less than. Equal to 3 or less than 3. We look at these numbers. 4 is greater than 3, 2 is less than 3. So we can use 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. There is 1. So we can write 1 here in the 2 and 1 here. So the decimal number 3 is equal to 1 1. Again, we have to convert a number 7. We have to convert a number 7 in decimal to binary. Now, look at these numbers, our bits. 7, 8 is greater than 7, 4 is less than 7. So we consider this number 4. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So we write 1 under the 4. Now next number is 3. 4 is greater than 3, 2 is less than 3. So we write 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So we write 1 here and the remaining is 1. So we write 1 under the 1. So this is the required number in binary. So 3 is equal to 1 1 and 7 is equal to 1 1 1 in binary. So we can convert any decimal number to binary by this method. Now next is binary to decimal. For example, the given number is 1010. We have to convert it into decimal. So we use these powers of 2. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. We write here 1, 2, 4, 8. Now we have to multiply these numbers. 1 multiplied by 8 is equal to 8 plus 0 multiplied by 4 is equal to 0. 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2. 0 multiplied by 1 is equal to 0. So the answer is 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So the binary number 1010 is equal to 10 in decimal. Now we have to convert decimal to base 5. To convert a number decimal to base 5, we have to use the table of 5. 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 5, 5 to the 10, 5 3 the 15, 5 4 the 20, and so on. Now we write, as we know that in base 5 the dates are used 0 to 4. Now in decimal counting, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now in base 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These numbers are included in base 5, 0 to 4. So the next number is 5. We know that 5 ones are 5. So according to first number of the table, 5 ones are 5. Now we subtract 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. In the unit place is 0 and 5 ones are 5, then we write in 10 place 1. So the 5 in decimal number is equal to 10 into base 5. Now the next number is 6. 6 means 11. 6 means 6 minus 5. 1 5 involved in it. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. So we write here 1 and the remaining 1 is here. Same methods can apply for all the digits in decimal. 7 means 1 5 involved in it, 1, and 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 8 means 1 5 involved in it, 1, and 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 1 4. 1 10. 10 means 5 2 the 10. So we can write 2 here and in unit place 0. So we can say that in decimal number 10 is equal to 20 in base 5. So we can write 11. 11 means 21, and we can convert any number in decimal to binary by this method. The homework. Now you can solve exercise 1.1 to exercise 1.5 from page number 1 to page number 12. Now you have to solve these questions in your notebook exercise wise. So this is the homework of your subject. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Finally, homework which you have to write solve in your notebook. Exercise 1.1 to 1.5. 1.1 से लेकर 1.5 तक you have to write in your notebook. Solve all the questions from exercise 1.1 to 1.5. इसके अलावा आपने इस चैप्टर के अंदर पेज नंबर 1 से लेकर 12 तक जो एग्जाम्पल्स आ रहे हैं वो भी आपने अपने तौर पे प्रैक्टिस के लिए सॉल्व करनी है। और इसके अलावा जो टेबल्स एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शंस के जो गिवन है उसको भी आपने देखना है और उसकी प्रैक्टिस करनी है। आपको सिर्फ 1.1 से लेकर 1.5 तक जो एक्सरसाइज है उसी को आपने अपनी नोटबुक में लिखना है। पहले एक्सरसाइज 1.1, फिर लास्ट में एक्सरसाइज 1.5।